Most people download the Field Agent app, do one or two $3 gigs, and then decide it's not worth it and delete the app. And honestly, I don't blame them. If you don't know these tips and tricks that I'm going to share in this video, then the app could be a complete waste of time. But if you know what you're doing, it could actually be worth it, and you can make $20 to $30 an hour with this amazing side hustle app. The first tip is going to be refresh the app. This app is not one of the apps that will drop every month, every day, a certain time. It drops gigs throughout the day. All day long, the gigs are going to drop. You could download the app, look at it, and see that there's 0 gigs, and then refresh it 5 seconds later, and there'll be more gigs than you could possibly do. It's also super competitive, so if someone else reserves it before you, then they're going to make the money and you're not. So keep an eye on it. Refresh the app while you're doing other apps. That's my next tip. You're going to want a multi-app. Field Agent is great. There's going to be a lot of gigs, but not enough for a side hustle, not enough for like a part-time job. So what I do is I multi-app DoorDash or Uber Eats if there is no Field Agent gigs, and I'll keep doing the deliveries and then keep refreshing. And then eventually I'll have enough gigs so I can log off of the delivery apps and then do Field Agent for the rest of the day. Or if it's just slow and there's only a couple of Field Agent gigs, maybe if I have downtime, if I'm waiting instead of waiting in the parking lot of Walmart, I could reserve a gig and actually make money and go inside Walmart. Next one is going to be choosing the right gigs and the right stores. The same gig for the same amount of money could be 2 to 5 times more work and much more time in a different store. For example, if you're doing a gig and you have to take a picture of all of the soda and all of the sports drinks and water bottles, that gig at Family Dollar or at CVS, really quick, 1 aisle, 2 pictures. That same gig at Sam's Club at Walmart is going to be aisles and aisles and aisles and stacks of every different soda, every different flavor, every different size. It's still worth it if you could do the gig quickly, like I'm going to explain, but it's going to take a lot more time, and it may not be the best idea to start one at a large format store. If you're just starting out with this app, I would recommend starting with CVS, Walgreens, Aldi's, and stores like that. The next one is look for stores with multiple gigs at the same store. Yes, it may not be worth it to leave your house and go to Walmart for $3, but if there's 10 gigs there, which happens a lot, or Sam's Club, there will be multiple gigs, BJ's, Costco, places like that. You could do 5 to 10. I've even done close to 20 gigs at the same store. And a lot of times there'll be gigs in the same shopping center. There's a Walmart, there's a CVS, and then there's a Sam's Club across the street. So without having to drive anywhere, remember, you're not getting paid for the mileage or driving with your car. You're getting paid to do this task in the store. So the least amount of places you have to drive to, the more money you are going to make. The next thing is going to be pictures. You're going to have to take a lot of pictures. There's no way around it. That's what you're doing pretty much. That's the job. So you're going to want to take your pictures really fast. Me, I never stop while I'm taking pictures. I kind of do a sidestep with my phone and just click the button every 4-foot section. Every 4-foot section. So even if you have to take like 30 pictures, it takes just as long as walking down the aisle. Don't stand there and press your phone and walk and position and line it up. Make sure your pictures are clear, but get a system down that works for you where you can take these pictures super fast. It also helps you not to get noticed, which is the next tip. Don't look like you're taking pictures. Don't look like a photographer. Just look like everyone else in the store that has their head glued to their phone. Try to look casual. It's not like you're doing anything technically wrong, but then you'll have to explain to the manager, and sometimes they'll ask you to leave. If anything, it's just a waste of time, or it could get you banned from doing more gigs at the same store. And if you want to see what to do if you do get confronted while doing one of these gigs, check out this video where I was confronted while I was doing a Field Agent gig.